Dad's reaction.
Oh yeah?
Yeah?
What's happening?
I need to come in here.
Something happened?
Yeah, no, I just got something from the school. I need to come look at it. It's really important. Why shouldn't be angry at me? Come in. Just read that. Don't be angry at me.
Is that real?
Yeah.
Is that real?
Yeah.
My God! Are you sure?
Yeah. We got the results today and we're getting the proper paper tomorrow.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
There are only 2 people in my class who got C.
I can't believe it. I just can't believe it. Oh. Oh my God. So you don't need to take it anymore?
No.
Oh my God. You haven't made a mistake that I know. You did so little work. You're set for life now. You are set for life. Oh.